What if I told you your alarm clock is silently destroying your brain? Every time that harsh beep shocks you awake, it triggers a mini stress response. Your body floods with cortisol, the stress hormone. Your brain thinks you're in danger. That's because alarms don't let you finish a full sleep cycle. Interrupted sleep, poor memory, mood swings, and even weight gain. Over time, this daily shock, it drains your focus, ages your brain, and makes you feel awful, even if you got 8 hours. So what's the fix? Wake up smarter. Use a sunrise alarm. It simulates natural light so your body wakes up gently. You'll feel alert, happy, even more creative. Sleep is technology. Master it, and you upgrade your brain. Want to know the #1 sleep hack billionaires use? I'll show you in the next video.